Hello everybody, quick update on Godrej Ananda. Anyone interested for phase 3 of Godrej Ananda, don't forget to call us. We'll be sharing our contact number in description. Reach us. We also have a couple of inventories available for sale in phase 2. If you're interested for those units, do reach us. We'll be sharing our number in description. And now coming back to the phase 3, we would like to give you just a little bit of understanding how units will look like. So they are coming up with 3 BHK normal, that is 3 BHK regular, which is almost going to be 1588 square feet, one of the largest unit in this aerospace park. Along with that, we have 3 BHK Jodi unit, which is 1630. Earlier 1429 was the Jodi unit. Now it's been almost 200 square feet higher. They are launching it along with the flexi wall in Jodi Apartment. So this is a new concept. I have just seen the sample apartment. These are sample apartments. Since they have not got the RERA number, so we are not allowed to record it or post it anywhere. So if anybody is interested, don't forget to reach us. We'll be sharing a number. Do plan your visits accordingly. The site is open for a visit. You can come and experience the model apartments. 2 BHK starts from 59 lakhs. 2 BHK Jodi I'm saying, and 3 BHK with 3 washrooms. The regular 3 BHK starts from 90 plus. These are all agreement value excluding other charges. This is like the unique as I said, I was sure like they'll be launching with very good floor plans, the lighting and everything. So what I expected, they've come up more than that. I liked it. Well, I hope the buyers, you will also like it. Don't forget to reach us. Thank you so much for watching us. Have a nice day everybody. Stay safe.